I talk to her. Born legend, sole purpose in life to be remembered. My mother expect greatness, so that's just what I'ma give her. No real rapper spitting lyrics, giving his emotions, not afraid to take my life. Put it all out in the open, the game is full of joking. These just the type rappers like hip hop is dying slow, but I refuse to let it happen. Not lacking the social skills, but my love is in the booth, on the mic, looking for a beat for me and my flow to kill. So for real, but I ain't looking for my candy rain. All of these hard rappers sweet like candy canes. Gingerbread chased by the fox living on Candy Lane. I evolved. Man, how these cats manage to stay the same? Yeah, and they tell me sky is the limit, so I'm forever growing, cause knowledge is never ending. Study the music Floyd so my record don't have a blemish. So I'm in the lab steady cooking like I'm a chemist. God created man and I'm flourishing in this image. What's up?
Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit.
D and that OG, that Three Kings and that blue cheese, throw a dab on with that moon rock, throw a dab on with that moon rock, and roll it, smoke it, roll up, roll it, smoke it, throw a dab on with that moon rock, throw a dab on with that moon rock, throw a dab on it, then sprinkle that hash on it, a little bit of moon rock, then put that gas on it, that there I call whopper to it, guaranteed gon' sock it to me, dozing off at the red light, yeah nigga I'm chop suey, every day I blow a Mike Vick, I be high as a skyscraper, eyelids feel about 10 pounds, can't even see if I'm dilated, can't see me, I'm a stoner, getting high since a young thug, marijuana, baby girl was my first love, first time I laid eyes on her, knew it was something about Mary Jane, first we hooked up sporadically, but she quickly turned to my main thing, she with a nigga every day, it's like we live together, and take all of my cash, just like one of them bill collectors, that Sour D and that OG, that Three Kings and that blue cheese, throw a dab on with that moon rock, throw a dab on with that moon rock, and roll it, smoke it, roll up, roll it, smoke it, throw a dab on with that moon rock, throw a dab on with that moon rock,
I roll up the sticky, I smoke up the sticky. I don't smoke dubs, I roll up the whole 50. Did I say 50? I mean the whole 40. Nothing but OG Lee Berry with Gordy. 35 for an eighth on the east. Moon rocking, getting bait with my peeps. No doors on no tops on the Jeeps. Yo, freak, she with me on the creep, and you thinking this week, but I got your whole geek. Gotta do a dash, rolling out the half. She going off the gas, swisher on swisher. Everyone's high now with sister on sister. I call her baby, she don't call me mister. Back in the day, they compared me to Twister. I'm rare from the A-Loft, the Sip, and the Fister for smoking that shit. I don't give no fuck, I smoke me a zip. Look, I can eyeball, I don't need no brick. Pack so strong, fall asleep in this bitch. Straight from the block, trying to catch me some G's. Straight to a soft spot to catch me some Z's. So I said the plug, he was growing the trees. While he was throwing, we blowing the trees. But it's crazy how we ran through them peas. Jack hair, smoked the finest OG.
That sour D and that OG, that OG. That Three Kings and that blue cheese, that blue cheese. Throw a dab on with that moon rock, that moon rock. Throw a dab on with that moon rock, that moon rock. And roll it, roll it, roll it. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Roll up, roll it, roll it, roll it. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Throw a dab on with that moon rock, that moon rock. Throw a dab on with that moon rock, that moon rock.
That sour D and that OG. That Three Kings and that blue cheese. Throw a dab on with that moon rock. Throw a dab on with that moon rock. And roll it, roll it, roll it. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Smoke it, smoke it.
Only in a rerun. I know what you're thinking, punk. You're thinking, did he fire 6 shots or only 5? Now, to tell you the truth, I forgot myself in all this excitement. But being this is a 44 Magnum, the most powerful handgun in the world, and will blow your head clean off, you've got to ask yourself the question, do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk? Get off my lawn.
Listen, old man, you don't wanna fuck with me.
Did you hear me? I said get off my lawn now.
Are you fucking crazy? Go back in the house.
Yeah, I blow a hole in your face and then I go in the house. And I sleep like a baby. You can count on that. We used to stack fucks like you 5 feet high in Korea. Use you for sandbags.
Okay. But you better watch your back.
Thank you.
Get off my lawn.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
The fuck you looking at, old man? Huh?
The hell these spooks up to?
Spooks. You better get your ass on, hunky, while I still let you.
That's Right, you better do. Fuck you think you is?
Ever notice how you come across somebody once in a while that you shouldn't have fucked with? That's me.
Man, you fucking crazy, man. Get out of here, man.
Look, why don't you get your ass up out of here before I kick your old wrinkly white ass?
Crazy motherfucker, man. What's wrong with him, man?
The fuck? What?
Motherfucker crazy.
What's wrong with this nigga?
The hell?
Get in the truck.
Crazy motherfucker, man. What's wrong with him, man?
You put his finger at me.
Oh, shit. Come on now. Hey, Pops. Come on now.
Shut your fucking face. You fucking don't listen, do you? Now get in the truck.
Don't get in trouble, no shit.
Way to go, old man.
Shut up, pussy. What is all this bro shit anyway? Want to be super spade or something? These guys don't want to be your bro, and I don't blame them. Now get your old fade patty ass on down the road. Take care now.
I wonder if you know that I'm heaven bound. 124, 87 child. God had me since the cradle, I've been rocking. Fatal with the rockin'. Grab the mic and ignite. Feel like I'm rockin'. Feel like I'm Pac-Win. He came to Cali, became a tree fanatic. Ox humble, so I cop humble. Feel like stack bundles. When he was here and used to stack bundles. And RP to B.I.G. Sheesh. And all those who converted poems to songs before me. I'm an open book on the recorder. Flow sorta like Dora. Playing in the Ford, hear me more and you'll explore it. Forfeit, I'm the one they fear. I'm the nicest, clean slices, get me Wonder Bread. I need it spread like gel food. I need a wifey with her hair, feet, and nails cool. Forever Ferragamo fly, I need a Chanel boo. Is that you? I wonder if she sweet like gummy bears. I wonder if she white like the Wonder Years. Whatever race, I'ma be your black Jeff Gordon. I'ma take first place, you can bet on it. Straightforward, she got a V card, type the wait for it. You on my mind on the grind like a skateboard. Hella fine, one of a kind, got that I'm enjoyed. Paid in full, you can have my first baby boy. Forget your past, I'm your last and your latest girl. Protect your heart, heal scars, my ex-lady tour. Still feel the wound actually. Girl, you my cure, when I'm with you, heal rapidly. Tackle beats, no football pads. Be the best, avoid stress, don't look all mad. So be glad and smile, 'cause I made it. 80s greatest, aka your favorite's favorite. I wonder if they see me like Stevie. See me on the TV like a genie when you need it. Your wishes come in distance, you gon' miss this like my kisses. Terrific with these pictures, you can skip the intermissions. Inches to my missions, but miles away from my goals. I keep it non-fiction, your smiles is changing my mode like a mood ring. You bring light to all the dark places. My craving, she worth the wait, so I'm waiting. Basic. I prove that I love her, you see I'm not another brother. You only see undercovers, I wonder if she's close or if we far apart. We'll finish mine, but we can start. I'll take your heart, we'll break apart. I'm saying Mommy good like Megan, you look hot.